part of the American dream. A recent Bankrate survey showed that 78% of all Americans still prioritize owning their own home, and they value the financial stability and the long-term wealth that offers. However, with today's uncertainty and the current market challenges, the affordability of homeownership seems to be slipping through most Americans' fingers. Yet, the benefits of the homeownership are still regarded as being very significant. So if you're ready to explore this opportunity and find out just how affordable it really is and all of the benefits to homeownership, contact me today to start your journey. Join me and my new partner, SunWest Mortgage, and their amazing Angel AI, and let's get you pre-approved and ready to buy a home in just a few hours. If you have credit issues or you just want to boost your credit score, Angel AI offers free credit repair. So what's stopping you from starting your journey? You have nothing to lose. It's 100% free with no obligation. Sign in now, check out the link below in the description, and when you're ready, let's get together, and together, let's get you housed.